Welcome to our special video presentation on the captivating history of Bitcoin, the world's first decentralized digital currency. Join us as we embark on a journey through the remarkable evolution of Bitcoin, from its modest beginnings to its extraordinary rise as a global financial phenomenon. Let's begin. In 2008, amidst a global financial crisis, an enigmatic individual or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto introduced Bitcoin through a revolutionary white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This groundbreaking document set the stage for a new era of digital currency. On January 3, 2009, the Bitcoin network was born with the mining of the Genesis block, marking the inception of the Bitcoin blockchain, a decentralized ledger that securely and transparently records all Bitcoin transactions. Initially, Bitcoin garnered attention primarily within the tech and cryptography communities. However, over time, its popularity surged, and the value of a single Bitcoin began to rise. But with growing popularity came challenges. In 2014, the infamous Mt. Gox incident occurred, where one of the largest Bitcoin exchanges at the time was hacked, resulting in the loss of hundreds of thousands of Bitcoins. This event underscored the need for enhanced security measures within the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Despite setbacks, the underlying blockchain technology behind Bitcoin continued to captivate technologists and visionaries worldwide. The blockchain's ability to facilitate secure, transparent, and tamper-proof transactions paved the way for various applications beyond digital currency. Bitcoin's price has experienced volatility, witnessing significant surges and sharp declines. However, it has consistently rebounded from each downturn, demonstrating its resilience and long-term potential. In recent years, institutional investors and major financial institutions have displayed increasing interest in Bitcoin. Some companies even added Bitcoin to their balance sheets as a hedge against inflation and a store of value, solidifying its status as a legitimate asset class. Bitcoin has witnessed significant global adoption, particularly in countries facing economic instability or limited access to traditional banking services. For these individuals, Bitcoin provides a decentralized alternative that transcends borders and empowers financial freedom. Looking ahead, the future of Bitcoin appears promising. Ongoing developments, such as the Lightning Network, aim to address scalability issues and enhance the efficiency of everyday Bitcoin transactions. Moreover, the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms built on blockchain technology has opened up a new realm of possibilities for Bitcoin. These platforms enable users to lend, borrow, and earn interest on their Bitcoin holdings, fostering a thriving ecosystem of financial services. As Bitcoin's prominence grows, regulatory frameworks worldwide are evolving to accommodate this novel digital asset class. Governments and regulatory bodies strive to strike a balance between consumer protection and fostering innovation, ensuring a safer and more secure environment for Bitcoin users. Beyond its financial implications, Bitcoin has sparked discussions about the democratization of money and the potential for global financial inclusivity. It challenges the traditional banking system and provides an alternative for the unbanked or underserved by conventional financial institutions. Lastly, it's crucial to acknowledge the vibrant and passionate Bitcoin community that has flourished over the years. From developers and entrepreneurs to enthusiasts and advocates, this community continues to drive innovation, educate others, and work towards widespread Bitcoin adoption. As we conclude our journey through the history of Bitcoin, from its mysterious origins to its current transformative role in the world of finance, it's evident that Bitcoin has come a long way. Its impact and potential continue to inspire and captivate individuals worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of Bitcoin's history. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of this revolutionary digital currency. Remember, as the world evolves, so does Bitcoin, paving the way for a future where decentralized, transparent, and secure financial systems are within our reach. Thanks for watching.